pagkatawa, Jericho. Igoro sa Jericho. Naingan.
Before we start our discussion, I have a little mental computation for you. So I have here Mr. Astronaut. Mr. Astronaut is lost in the outer space. So what we have to do is to help him find his way back to the Earth. So ako siya kabangan, pagkatawag ng iyahang alianan pag-road sa Earth. So ano nato siya pagtabang? We'll just have to reduce these fractions into those terms. Who would like to help Mr. Astronaut? Okay, go. First. The first fraction.
1/8.
That is
1/8.
1/8. The next. 1/6. Next. Christian.
1/4.
1/4. Why? How did you get 1/4? Greatest common factor is 8, then divide the numerator by 8 and the denominator by 8. So this is 1/4. Next, the Charlie. 1/2. Next, correct. 1/10. Any other answer? Yes. 1/20. Why 1/20? How did you get 1/20? What is the greatest common factor? 5. Okay, so we just have to divide the numerator and the denominator by 5. Next, 12 over 36. Correct. 1/3. Next, go.
1/5.
1/5. Next, lastly, 1/4. Okay, so thank you for helping Mr. Astronaut getting his way back to the Earth. Okay, so let's have a review. Who can recall what is the definition or what is our ratio?
Ratio is a comparison of two quantities.
A ratio is a comparison of two quantities or set of numbers. Okay, so who can give to me the two ways of writing ratio? The two ways of writing ratio. We have two ways in writing ratio, right? Anyone? Ang duha ka paagi so pagsuot sa ratio. Any other hands? Rigid lang? There are two ways in writing ratio. One of which is shown in the board. Ano sa board ang una?
Fraction.
Okay, ratio. Fraction form and column form. So ratio can be written in two forms. It can be in fraction form, for example, 8 over 32 and 8 over 32. So, I have here a pattern. This is a recycling campaign. So let's study the pattern. If you have one bottle, you will be having 5 points. If you have 2 bottles, you will have 10 points. What if you have 15 points? How many bottles you have?
Sir.
Correct. 3 bottles. Good. Next. What if you have 7 bottles? How many points do you have?
Sir.
Now, 35 points. Okay. If you have 10 bottles, how many points do you have? Huh?
50.
50? Okay, 50 Next, if you have 60 points, how many bottles do you have already? 12 bottles. If you have 50 bottles, how many points do you have? Christian, Michael, 75. 75 points. Then if you have 20 bottles, how many points do you have? 80
Sir,
points. Just raise your hand. Richie,
100 points.
100 points. Okay. So who can give me, how did we get the answers here?
in
Right?
in multiplying
5 points.
Multiplying the number of bottles by
5.
so we have 20 bottles. Last we have 20 bottles and 100 points. Who can give me the ratio? The bottles and points. The points and bottles. Ikaw. Ratio. Who can give me the ratio? The bottles and points. Who can give me the bottles and points? 20 is to 100. Kaya tanaw na to dili 20 is to 100. Hindi man sila nagsikan. The y is to 5. Therefore, 20 is to 100 is just equal to
1 is to 5.
5. Then, ginusa nito natin pagkuha, makabot siya sa 20 over 20 is to 100.
Take the number of bottles.
Right?
Multiply
5. Okay. Another, I don't hear a problem. 20% here a problem. Would like to Richie.
Joel and Cheesy went to the park, helped clean it up by picking discarded bottles of soft drinks to be recycled. Joel picked 24 bottles while Cheesy got 12 bottles. What is the ratio of the number of bottles gathered by the two boys in lowest term?
Yes. So Joel and Gigi went to the park and helped clean it up by picking discarded bottles of soft drinks to be recycled. So nakata sila park para mamangit atong mga botella nga wala nang isuod. Na agad yaman siya sa recycling campaign. Joel picked 24 bottles while Jesse got 12. Question is, what is the ratio of the number of bottles gathered by the two boys in Lowester? So, what are given in the problem? What are given in the problem? Charlie. 24 bottles and 12 bottles. We have 24 and 12 bottles. Okay. So what is being asked in the problem? So may pangutanan niya sa problem.
Sir,
Ikaw, Larry. No. Okay, the number of bottles gathered by the two boys in lowest earth. So, if you are the boys in the problem, you do the same situation as what they did. Ha? Gusto man, mamulit sa mga to sa park, mga recycled bottle, inyong hapong pasagdan, yun ang unan. Ha? Pasagdan ninyo ang mga botelya. Kunin ninyo ilabay sa plato. Okay. So why do we have, or why there is a need to recycle? Everyone, why do we have to recycle? Why there is a need to recycle? Ano mag-recycle? Ano? Raise your hand. Christian. O para magamit sa binang. Any answer? Any other answer? Reuse it again. Recycle. Recycle, reuse it again. Para sa mag-minus, magamay na lang sa ba ang mga kutilya na nasa atong palibot. Magamit naman sa Japan yung nasa mga kutilya for further use. Okay. So, what is the ratio of the bottles that Joel picked to Jesse? Anyone? The ratio. From this group.
The day 24 is to 12.
Yeah. 24 is to
Buong sa dami na.
24 is to 12. So 24 bottles picked by Joel and 12 bottles by Jesse.
Nakita na masadtanan.
Fraction 4. 24 positions of 24 over 12. So who can give me the lowest term of 24 is to 12? 2 is to 2 is to 1. So every 2 bottles that Joel picked, si Jessie makakuha ko isa ka botilya. So kung si Joel makakuha og 2 botilya, si Jessie nga ay usa. Kung makakuha siya kuno, pila man ko ka Jessie? 3. Kung 12 ka mo, pila man ka Jessie? 1. Then how did you get 2 is to 1? Huh? Just raise your hand if you want to answer. Go. You just have to find their GCF. Now, what is the GCF? Yeah, so divide the 24 by 12, which is 2, and the 2 and the 12 divided by 12, which is 1. Another. I have here some leaves and flowers. I have here 6 flowers and 12 leaves. Then I have also here 6 stalks. Ilan mga stalks? Nasa flower ba? Okay. Who can give me the ratio of the flowers to the leaves? I have 6 leaves and 12 flowers. Okay. Who can give me the ratio? Huh? 6 is to 12. 6 is to 12. Now, who can pair this up on the board?
Sir.
Who can pair this up? Who can pair the flowers to the leaves by putting this up on the stalk on the board? Ikaw, Michael. Michael. So, is it paired up? Sakto ba pagkakabit? Ha? Okay. have? How many leaves do we have? In one stalk, how many flowers do we have? How about leaves? Huh? Wrong naman na sundan ng three. Okay. So in one stalk, we have one flower and two leaves. So, nana sa blackboard daan, klaro na kayo sa line. So, ang iyang lowest term is 1:2. So, yan. Paired up naman siya. One flower to two flowers. Leaves. Okay, so I have to group you into four groups. One group you can have mo. Kamu din have one. Kamu duha. Appeal din sa group 2. Kamu duha. Appeal duha. Group 4. Kamu din ha. Appeal duha. Okay. Okay, go to your groups now. Okay. Listen. So I will be flashing some cards here. Then what you have to do is to convert this into ratio form. Kung ratio na siya, yan na lang ratio. Pero kung fraction, i-ratio ninyo, then find its lowest term. You have 5 seconds to write it on the paper, ha? You have 5 seconds to write it on the paper. Okay. First one. Okay, after 5, time count
Number
5 seconds.
mo.
After 5 seconds, you have to raise the paper. Okay. So, this is the kung fraction ang akong i-flash din, inyong ipalitaw na, inyo siya i-form into ratio, then find the lowest term. Okay, 5 seconds ha? Kaya 5 seconds? 8. Okay, 5 seconds ha? First flash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, raise your papers. 10:1. Group 3, nalate ang group 3. So group 1, 2, and 4 have 1 point. Okay, another flash. Next. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise your hand, papers. Huh? How did you get 3 is to 8? How did you get 3 is to 8? What is the greatest common factor? 24 divided by 8. The answer is 3. So, ito 3 yung time. Next flash. 1, 2, 3, Another batch.
Pistil ko.
1, 2, 5. Okay. Letter 7 is another. Stop. Raise your paper. Okay, your answer is 1. Group 2. Only the goal. Okay, so group 1 and group 4 got next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise your paper. 60 is to 1. Wait, before half. 6 is to 1. 60 is to 1. GCF. Next. Another. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 is to
Uy, pampung ko mo, Jericho.
I will say the phrase, then you have to write the ratio, then reduce it to lesser. Huh? 10 seconds and then. Okay. First phrase. First phrase. 15 boys to 30 girls. Ratio hanya ang reduce for 1. 15 boys to 30 girls. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. So the ratio is 15 is to 30. Then reduce 4 is 1 is to 2. So yun ang points on group 1. Next. Next, 24 hours to 12 minutes. 24 hours to 12 minutes. Yung pamutanan. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. That is what? That we have. Another 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody raise your papers. Qualified lang di mo raise, ha? Raise your papers. 24. Kung saan yung tumahan yan, we have to convert 24 hours into 24 hours into ha? Gusto mo itong iyang condition, 24 hours to 12 minutes. Oh, so we have to convert 24 hours into minutes. So 24 times 60. That's 4, 12. You have 2,000. 40 is to 12. Palitan nila ang BCF. So 2,440. 14. So 1,440 divided by 12.
Kung pamungko mo, Michael.
20.
Peter. Pungko, Peter.
Kung 12. 120 is 1. Another 1 week to 3 months. 1 week to 3 months. How many months? How many weeks do we have in a month? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Papers. 1 week to 3 months. How many weeks do we have in a month? 3 times 4. 12 times 12. Seven is two. 7 is 2. 1 week is 2. 1 is 2. 1 is 12. The other is 4. Wala. Kaya 12 is 2. 1. Kaya pa mo, walang isa. Wala. So group 1 and group 2. Another last for 3 points. Number 4 pa yan. Okay. Okay, for 3 points. 5, 12 months to 3 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9.5. Okay. 12, 3 months, 12 months to 3 years. Yeah, raise your hand. Raise your papers na ha. Okay. Okay, raise your papers na. How many months do we have in a year? 12 times 3. 36. So, ang equation is 12 is equals 36. Yeah. What is the lowest form? So, it's group 1 and group 3. Wait, move. Wait, raise your hand, ha? Wala, di ko raise your papers na. Sige kung susulat. Group 1 and group 3. Group 1. Blame your award later na lang. Okay, so get your best notebook. Let's say one hundred twice. Get 100 twice.
Kopoy ko.